dear student friends, myself Vaishali Salonke, teaching the courses in electronics to the BSc Computer Science students and working in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Ganeshkund, Pune, which is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. Today, let us enjoy learning the concept of system on chip. Any electronic system which consists of number of different circuits which are offering the different operations when is integrated and is made available in the form of a single one chip. It is referred to as a system on chip, shortly SOC. More specifically, this term is used for a computer systems on chip. When the computer systems are fabricated, manufactured on a single one chip, it is called as a SOC, further specifically named as a microcontroller. Any computer system primarily consists of four basic blocks: brain of a computer system, central processing unit referred to as a CPU, not only processes the data but also controls the overall operation of the system. The data before and after the processing needs to be stored, and for that purpose we have the memory units implemented on the system. During the program execution, CPU and memory work hand in hand as they are compatible because of the use of same technology, that is semiconductor technology. The data before getting stored and processed actually needs to be entered via some input devices, and after processing needs to be displayed on some output devices. We know commonly we use keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer as the input and output devices. These and other such kind of input-output devices are electromechanical, electromagnetic and optical kind of devices. They are not compatible with the central of the computer system because of the technologies they are using. They differ in the way of operation, the electrical signal levels, the codes generated and the speed of communication. To resolve these differences, we need some interface unit also to be implemented on a computer system. I/O devices via these interfaces are getting connected to the central of the computer system. All these four basic blocks are interconnected with the help of wires, which are called as a buses. Simply, the bus is a bunch of wires. Other than CPU, all other units are assigned with a unique identification number, which is called as an address. Whenever the CPU wants to communicate with any of these units or devices, it generates an address via the address bus. The specific memory location, input or output device gets selected. Then the CPU generates a control signal on the control buses to synchronize the data flow. And then the selected device and the CPU communicate data via the data bus. This is what all we have as a basic part of any system. Of you must have gotten clear idea that computers that every day we are using is not only an electronic device, but it also includes an electromechanical, electromagnetic, optical devices included inside it, so that we are able to use it. Okay, going ahead, this electronic part of a computer system, can you identify it in your computer? Yes, it is a motherboard. On this motherboard, we can see a CPU, the memory units, their expansion slots, then the I/O ports, interface circuitry. But along with this, as these four blocks, they have to work together. A synchronization of the operation with a common time reference is required, and therefore the motherboard also includes the oscillators, timers, counters. Along with that, to handle unwanted procedures, that is interrupts, interrupt controllers are also implemented on the motherboard. Computer system, which we can find it in our everyday computing system machines like desktops or laptops we are using. Many number of users can develop any number of applications by using this general purpose computer systems. But when your application is specific one, it is not useful or feasible to use the motherboard for that application. So when the motherboard is reduced and optimized and is made available in a single one chip as a system on chip, it is called as a microcontroller. Intel introduced first microcontroller in 1980s, which was numbered as 8051. As this is the basic microcontroller, this microcontroller includes the basic components of a computer system like a CPU, storage units, that is memory of both type, RAM and ROM. It includes the I/O ports for connecting the input-output devices, both communicating in parallel and serial manner. Yes, to synchronize the basic blocks operation, the timers, counters, oscillators, to handle the unwanted procedures called interrupts, interrupt controller, and control the bus control unit is also implemented. For the portable devices went on increasing. Advanced microcontrollers came into the market. Few of them with this basic 8051 are mentioned here. Those are advanced, very popular ARM microcontrollers, also called as the processors, that is advanced RISC machines, peripheral interface controllers. Those are PIC machines, AVR machines, and such many more are in the market. Watching this video, all of you must have gotten clear idea what is a computer on chip or system on chip, that is microcontroller. You will start learning our primary basic microcontroller 8051. Till then, goodbye.